he was worshiping. And so Nimrod commanded his soldiers to take Abraham and his brother Haran. Abraham has strong faith in the Most High, and the Most High protected him. However, Haran had a lot of doubts, fears, and he ended up dying. It's similar to the story of the 3 Hebrew boys in Daniel, right? Daniel chapter 2, where Nebuchadnezzar wanted all the people in Babylon to worship him, bow down as they played the music, and the 3 Hebrew boys refused to bow down, right, to the idol. And so they took them and they were